As we had learned earlier in our sessions that whenever you insert anything from the Insert tab, a new tab is added just to edit that particular object. So table is also added from the Insert tab. So you will notice that the moment we click on our table, two tabs are being added, a Design tab and a Layout tab. These both tabs will be used to edit or customize our table. So let us go to these tabs. First we will go to the Design tab. In the Design tab you will observe that there are different type of styles you can apply from. Let us click on the drop down of Table Styles and see that there are many different styles available from which you can apply on your table. So let us say we select this one and you will see this style has been applied on our table where this is the heading and these are the table details. If you do not want to apply the ready-made stylings, you can modify the given style, create your own style like how we did with the text styles, or you can simply take one particular cell and color it or shade it with whatever color you like. This is how you can create. You can also give borders to your particular table by selecting the table and then going to border style and selecting different kind of borders. This is also again exactly same how we had applied borders on our data. Then we have different options from the table style option where we can decide whether we want the header row or not, whether we want the first column or not, whether we need to show a total column or not, whether we need to show a total row or not, and so on so forth. Then let us go to the Layout tab. In Layout tab, you can change the layout of the table. Not the look, but the layout. Which means if you want to add something extra or if you want to delete something, that all can be done from here. Let's say I need to add one more row or one more data, which will be total of all these subjects. So I will click my cursor here and click on the option called Insert Below from the rows and column group of the Layout tab. And now you can see a new row has been added below where you can write any more data if you want. In similar way, you can insert above, insert left, insert on the right, etc. In the same way, you can also delete. You can keep your mouse pointer here. You can either delete cell, column, row or the entire table. So let's say I will click on delete column. Again deleting column. And I will delete this row as well. This is how you can add or delete more cells into your table. You can also split the cells. Let's say in science, we have marks for two subjects, theory as well as practical. So we will split this cell into two. Number of columns to be 2 and number of row to be 1. You will see that now there are two sections. In first, we can write marks for the theory. And in second, we can write marks for practical. So this is how you can split the data when one particular data has two subsections or two data field required. You can also change alignment of the table. Select all the data that you need to align. Go to the alignment group of the Layout tab. And from there you can see there are 9 different kind of alignments. Top left, top center, top right, center right, center middle, center left, bottom center and bottom right. So we will keep center. You can also sort the data or apply the formulas if you know. Sorting would be exactly similar to how we had sorted our data from the paragraph group. And if you know formulas, you can apply formula as well in this table. So this is how you add a table into your Word document, and not just add it but stylize it to make it look much more beautiful.